Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys how I download different items, how I download different items. As you can see, I'm in designbundles.net, and actually they work pretty much the same way as my site works. Pretty much the same way as my site work. I couldn't do it from my site because it wouldn't allow me, because for whatever reasons it wouldn't allow me to do that. But I wanted to show you how to actually download. Once I purchase it, I'm sure it went to my email as well. You can actually go to your email and download from your email, because I've already purchased it. So I'm going to show you my email, where you'll also see it's going to have two. It'll probably have two receipts. Well, it won't go to this one. It went to my other one, so I won't show you that. I'm sorry about that, because it went to my other email. So it didn't go to the one I was about to show you. It went to another email. And let's see if I can find it. It actually went to this email. And as you can see, it did the order confirmation, and then it shows it. I can download my product from here if I want to, or I can go back and download my product here. I'm going to go here to download my product from this area. Because that's where all of my downloads are usually are. If I forget something, I always go back and I look at what I've purchased and what fonts it is. It's a clear way of keeping track of what you have and what you don't have. So as you can see, I downloaded. I'll do it again just so you can see. I went to download files, and then it'll go to CL594, which I've already downloaded it, so it's going to be on there again. And so that you can see where it is in your folder, you will pretty much go to your folder. And as you see, it's in my Windows. I want to change the name, so I clicked on it once, and I'm going to put in Christmas trees. And what's going to probably happen, because I already did this, is going to do the same thing again. I'm going to press enter, and as you can see, it went up to Christmas trees. But because it's a download, I usually just take it and I bring it into downloads. So it's been moved into downloads. Now I'm going to close it out, and I'm going to reopen it again. And as you can see, this is the second Christmas tree. This is the one that I had previously tried to do the video, but I messed up, so I redid it, and this is the one that that is showing. Now I'm gonna open it, and once I open it, I want to extract it. Now that it's extracted, of course it's gonna ask me, and I'm gonna say yes, because I want to override or what have you, and that's I'm gonna do yes to all. That way it just does everything. And now I'm gonna close it, and suppose I was going into my Silhouette. Now I'm in Silhouette, and I want to open it, and I need to go to downloads, and I can click on Christmas trees. Now when we did that, when I extracted it, what it did was it extracted whatever was in those files. It pretty much extracted whatever was in that particular file. I do believe it extracted what was in the file already. And as you can see, this is hers. It's a preview image. And I'm going to show you that. It's a preview image. And it probably won't open there. I was trying to see if there was a way that I could preview it. But as you can see here the little label here. You can see that, and I'm going to take you right back to it real quick, so you can see that this is the same this is the actual design. This is the same design. Now I'm going to go back to it again. I was in Silhouette. Now I'm going to go back to it again, and it's showing you all the previews, but then it starts to separate everything for you. Now I have all of everything separated because I extracted the file. So now it's separated. And if I wanted to use something, say for instance, I wanted to use this owl, all I would have to do is press OK, and then it brings that particular owl into my my silhouette. And then pretty much everything else is up to you because it did come in as a JPEG. If I wanted to change the way that it looked, I would have to trace it or what have you to create whatever it is that I wanted to create. But this video is primarily to show you how you would download and extract files. Whereas when you went here, you saw all of those files. Mine would have been in an SVG. Mine would have been SVG formats. Whereas you saw all of those files. You would have seen, for me, you would have seen SVG files versus the PNG and all of those files. Whereas when you saw it here and they separated everything, you would have actually seen SVG. You would have actually seen SVG, EPS. I got to go back to download, and I'm putting it back in so that I can kind of show you where. I'm going to open it again just so that you can see it. When I clicked on it, you saw PNG, EPS, and JPEG here. Whereas if you had used my file, you would have seen SVG, EPS, and DXF. That's how you would have seen my files. But it's basically the same thing. You would extract it or open it, you would extract it, and then you primarily just bring it into your system, whereas it was separated and you just bring it into your system. Now, although we had all of those different designs, the way that they were, you can go through each one and rename those designs. Where it had the owl design or what have you, you can actually go through it and rename those designs. You don't have to keep those names the way that they are. You can actually go through it. Whereas she has Woodland Christmas, Woodland, and she has everything numbered. You could have gone through it and said owl on a tree, or wreath owl, or owl on a tree with ornaments or something like that, or boxes with a fox. I mean, that's up to you. You can go in and you can actually rename what that particular file is by clicking the rename so that you'll have an idea what it is. I just wanted to give you this video. I wanted you guys to see how it was actually done, and I hope it helps you. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm always here. I'm always open for questions. And thank you, and have a really, really good day.